How to delete Instagram searches. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into how to delete Instagram searches. This process will help you delete all your searches on Instagram and also delete Instagram search suggestion when typing. So ensure you watch this video to the very end, and if you find it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Alright, let's get straight into the video. So the first step is to tap on your profile picture icon below. Then in your profile page, tap on the three horizontal line at the top. Select your activity. In your activity page, scroll till you find recent searches, as you can see on the screen, and tap on it. And you see all the list of your searches. As you can see, these are all the list of my searches. Now to delete or clear all the searches, you can either tap on them individually, tap on the arrow sign, or tap on the clear all option at the top. Then tap on clear all again, and all your searches are gone. You have deleted all your Instagram search. Now the second step is to go back to the settings page. Go back to the settings page, tap on three dots, tap on settings and privacy, then scroll till you find the help option and tap on it. Then tap on report a problem, tap on report a problem without shaking, tap on include and continue. Now you're asked to report your problem to Instagram. You can type in hi Instagram, I want to delete all my searches and search suggestions when typing. Once you're done with your complaint, you tap on send, tap on the send icon above, and your report will be sent to Instagram, and Instagram will give you a feedback within 24 to 48 hours and will help you delete all your Instagram searches. I hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe.